Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding more word examples for the consonant letter H. The consonant letter H gives the sound as in house, host, house, horse, health, happy, hungry, honey, human, holiday, heat. Thank you. So follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe the words one after the other. And remember, transcription of words, transcribing words is not meant for only pupils and students. It's good for everybody. So let's go. This is house. House, the pipe. House. You bring in a sound. Let me make my symbols a little bit big. Okay, and this one is house. Someone that welcomes visitors. And this one is house. This is horse. Yeah, horse. This one is head. Hope my symbols are big enough. And this is happy. I am very happy. This is hungry. This one is honey. This one is human. Human. This is holiday. Holiday. It's not even like the way you're looking. Okay, and this is heat. Hope you can see this. So let me close them up and then we sound them together. My symbols are really big. I hope they are clear. But some people say they don't see it. Okay, let's go. This is house, host, house, horse, health, happy, hungry, honey, human, holiday, heat. Let me go over once more. House, host, house, horse, health, happy, hungry, honey, human, holiday, heat. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. And you want to search out some word examples and transcribe them. Remember, word transcription is not meant for only pupils and students. It's good for everybody. The Lord bless you.